On March 20th, 2022, a man was arrested on one felony count of bail jumping for violating his bond conditions and was released on a signature bond that same day in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The man was identified as 34-year-old David Bouch. A few hours later, police responded to an area for a welfare check on a man who was walking down the street shouting at the top of his lungs. That man happened to be David. When David was located, he told the officer not to come toward him and that he has a restraining order against La Crosse police.
David! Oh, come here, man. David! David, come here, man. Police, David, stop.
When the officer attempted to detain David, he was immediately resistant and began screaming for help.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I gotta talk about it. Get your hands out of your pockets for me.
Hold on. I need help. So, we need to do this in public. I'll meet you at Quick Trip.
No, David, stop. You're not free to leave.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
David, you're not. You're not free to leave. Stay right there. Do not.
Help! Help!
David.
I'm David! Global security over here now! Global security right now! Global security! Help me!
David was then able to break free from the officers and ran off briefly.
Hands behind your back. Right now. Hands behind your back. Hold on. Hands behind your back. Global security. Hands back.
Help me!
Okay. Hands behind your back. Put them down. Behind your back there. Hands behind your back.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
What are you doing? Stop resisting, David.
I'm not resisting. What am I doing? Somebody get downtown now! What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Help!
Stop resisting.
I'm in Gordon! Help!
Did you get him already?
Help me! Help me!
All right. Ready? Which way? Roll over on your knees.
I need national security now!
Roll over. Roll over.
Global security!
Up to your knees, David.
What am I being arrested for?
Resisting to resisting.
No!
Resisting to order. Get up.
Global security! Global security now!
Just a second.
No! Everybody get your phones out, record!
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Get your phones out and record!
Stand up.
Ready,
Stop kicking, David.
get me out! Hold me! Help me!
Relax.
Help me!
Relax.
Get doing!
Relax.
I need help!
You need to relax.
I need help! Help me!
You're taking my guys. Come on.
I'm not going nowhere!
Let's just get a breath here. All right.
Help me!
Do you want him in my car right here? Or
I need to
you guys
get
grab
now!
it too. If you want me
No! Everybody
I
block
got
this
this.
off!
single cage.
Everybody
I have a
block
seatbelt,
this
so
off!
don't mind. I'm right here.
Here comes the no one!
Don't be kicking. Stop kicking this.
Yes, sir!
Wait.
That's right!
You need to relax. He's trying to relax.
No!
Relax. Relax.
I didn't have nothing, and I told him I have a security order with the police department. I'm not going to attack
That is not accurate. You need to relax. Take it down a notch, all right?
Winnie Hughes, it sounds like so much shit.
Take a deep breath.
I need help! They just poisoned me!
Stop it.
Hey, I need help!
You okay? Stop it. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting! Help me!
Let's get him up.
Help me!
61. Let's
Stop! Help me!
Back it off. All right, let's just...
Help me! State Patrol! Gordon, help me!
Look over my leg, David.
Gordon, help me!
Let go of the leg.
Gordon, help me! Help me, Gordon! Gordon, help me!
Leg.
Gordon, help me!
Leg.
Help me! Help me!
All right.
Help me! Help me! Stop! Help me!
Let's just stand up.
I'm done. Help me, guys! Help me! I can't breathe! Can't breathe!
You're on your side.
I can't breathe!
He's in the car. Likes to wrap his legs around
Help me!
everything.
Help me!
He has the kicks. Likes to wrap his legs around you too.
Help me!
Stop.
Help me!
Let go of his leg.
Help me! No! What is going on? Why is it only security? Why is it only off the street?
Stop. Stop. Relax.
Why?
Relax.
Why?
You're under arrest. Relax.
No, stop! He's not letting me out! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Stop! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Hold on.
Help me now! Civilians!
Relax. Stop.
Civilians, help! Help me!
Just put up. No, come on. Relax. Got your head.
Help me! Help me!
I need the van. Watch his head.
Help me!
David.
Help!
David, you need to relax.
Help!
Relax.
I'm innocent.
Get in the car.
Help.
Relax.
Help. Help.
David.
Help me. Help me.
We need a break.
Shut that door. Hold on.
Relax.
I'm innocent.
Get in the car.
Help.
Relax.
Help. Help.
David.
Help me. Help me.
Shut that door. We need a break.
Shut that door. Hold on. Get in.
You're causing damage to your car.
Due to David actively resisting officers as they placed him in the back seat, they called for a transport van.
We need a break. Go get the bed there. Yeah.
Help me.
Hurry up. Ouch.
Help me.
Hurry. David, you need to relax. I'm under arrest. You are resisting. Relax.
I didn't do anything.
Relax.
I did not do anything.
You keep kicking everything and everyone.
What did you arrest me for?
Disorderly conduct and resisting.
No.
Yes.
No.
You are under arrest.
When he was in Help me. Help me.
Sit down.
Help me. Down. Help me.
David, why are you fighting with us?
Because I'm innocent.
I know, but just relax. Tell me what you do is cooperate. Take some deep breaths and cooperate. Fighting's not going to get you anywhere.
Help me.
David.
Hello. Brian. Help me. I'm not saying about cash. Help.
David, all we want you to do is cooperate.
I'm not. I'm innocent.
Yeah, you have your day in court.
Oh, no. I am.
All right? Don't be wrapping your legs around here.
Help me, guys. Get ASAP. Help me right now. Help me right now. Right now.
David.
Right now.
If you just relax.
I'm innocent.
Just get in the car, David.
No, I'm not getting in the car.
Why?
Because I need other than the City Police assisting me now.
We are not
Do not contact the city. Give me somebody else. Get him here now.
During the struggle, David kicked several officers, striking one of their glasses and causing their body camera to fall off.
Hurry up. Get in now.
All right. Just, yep, I got this on. You got that on. You guys
No.
take a left.
Help me.
We're going.
Stop. Help me. Help me now.
Relax.
Help me now. Help me now. Help me now. Help me now. Help me.
Stop.
Help. Everybody, come here now. They're going to get me. Right now, everybody. I just want this to get over here. Stand up. I need help.
It took a total of 7 officers to secure David into the seat in the transport van.
Everybody. Everybody help. Now. No. Help me now.
Yeah, shut up.
No. Stop. No. No. Help me.
Pin his legs.
I can't breathe.
So, yeah. Who need to ride?
Yep, we got 2 in there. You want me to go with it instead of you?
I got it.
You got it?
I got a set of squad keys. I don't know who they are, but all right.
Can't breathe, guys.
51. Good.
It was believed David may be suffering from excited delirium as a result of being under the influence of a stimulant.
Have me, yes. Have come to the deal. Are you relaxed now?
Yes, Captain.
Okay. We can. You need to settle down, dude. How? David, you need to settle down.
I am.
Why you at?
Relax.
Cooperate.
You're not going to win this fight. Some rest, man.
Okay? Everything's done and over. Take some deep breaths and just chill, okay?
Where are we going? Back to jail. You should have stayed. Why? Why? Because this happened now. That's why. You can't be leaving here out in the public. Are you looking? Are you checking on? Are you right, Campbell? Yes. Let me see it. They're blinking. They're on top. I can't see it. They're on top. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
What?
Come here.
Take him to the jail. Open our jail. Check if they're medically clear. They will have to get him into the ambulance.
That one.
You can't take him to jail or hospital.
Yeah, I can't go to the hospital. I need to go to the hospital. I need to go to the hospital.
Well, if we have to pull in the ER, he comes out and does stuff.
No.
If that's what it's going to be. Needs a signature?
Yep. You guys must get off of me, please. Sergeant,
Because you've been kicking.
Sergeant wants to tap me.
No, you're sitting up. You're good. You need to just relax.
Listen to the sheriff, guy.
You need to relax.
You're sitting. You got jurisdiction with you.
You need to relax.
David, did you take anything after you left the jail? No, I did not. You didn't take anything? No.
No drugs? No prescription drugs?
No.
Narcotics?
Nothing. What about your prescription that you have? Yep, I have my medication.
Did you take it today?
Yes, I did.
Have you taken it last week?
Yes, I have. Jail! Jail, stop! Check your guys' identification!
David, I can't hear you yelling.
Check their identification!
They don't want to come here. They won't.
Because you guys left that channel.
No, because you were yelling. You were yelling and they went back. You scared them. You scared them.
No.
That's why they left.
No, you guys told me.
Oh, we didn't. We want you to go to them. Trust us.
Yeah. Hold on my side.
Well, you have to get medically cleared before they'll take you because now you're saying you're hurt. Where are you hurt? You say everywhere, but where?
Help me! Help me! Do not let these cops leave! Help me now!
David, we're going to the hospital.
Help me now!
David, we're going to the
Do not
hospital.
let me! Don't open the doors! Don't open! They're not opening it.
We're going to the hospital.
Nope, they're not opening it.
Can I stand him up?
You will get kicked in your nuts and you'll get your head broken.
Threats to law enforcement?
No, promises.
There's another felony charge.
No.
While at the hospital, David kept screaming and yelling nonsense, stating Vladimir Putin bailed him out of jail and is a god. While en route to the jail, David unbuckled his seatbelt and began kicking the rear window of the squad car.
David, stop kicking, please.
Help! Help!
David, stop kicking.
Help me! Help me! Help me! It's me in the house! Help! Help!
When he was being escorted by jail staff, David turned and kneed a jailer in the groin.
If you want to back off, I can help. I can take the front stop.
Back up.
Not good! Do not move.
You want to swing in? That'd be okay.
You need Chris already, guys.
I'm on his feet.
Stand up.
Stand up.
You're pain, okay? You need to stay calm.
You want to roll onto his butt and then onto his feet? Okay, we're getting off. We're stand up. Go.
Stand up. Alright, sit next to him. Do not kick, do not do anything, just sit down. I'll go. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to you. I'm not assaulting people, and I can do this. Put your body down. Sit down! Sit down!
Down. Sit down.
Sit down. Don't put your hips away. Sit down.
You're
You want to get the cuffs off for you, the shoulder straps?
David was charged with felony bail jumping, ×2, threats to law enforcement, ×3, attempted battery to an officer, ×4, battery by a prisoner, and misdemeanor resisting an officer, and disorderly conduct. His cash bond was set at $10,000. Do you enjoy our content?